It's me again. In the previous video, I was trying to take this off. Not this time. I got something fun to show you. It's I don't know if I should put this on a Toolie Tuesday video or what, but I'm cleaning a space here so I can make the video without making a complete ugly mess. This has nothing to do with it has nothing to do with three-wheelers, four-wheelers. It's pretty cool. I'll show you. This is a vintage radio. Let me plug the light in here. Plug my light in. Damn, plug it in. Come on, get in there. This is a Koyo 12 transistor. Comes with a leather body. There's the back. There is an antenna mount here. There's an earphone and MPX out. AC adapter and auxiliary in. There's little rivet marks or screw marks in here. There's a handle. There's nothing on this side. There's a white bird poop spot here. You can see the bottom. This says model number KTR125T, Koyo Electronics Industries. I should glue that down. It's got all the stitching on it here. You can see all the stitching. You could see that sticker on there. I bought it for like 20 bucks. I thought it was cool. Let me wipe this off here. I thought it was really cool. So I bought it. It even has, get this, a fully intact antenna, which surprises the hell out of me. It also has a feature that most old radios don't usually have. It works. I don't want to turn any station on because of YouTube music thing. But I was listening to it all day. So yeah, I won't get my channel, whatever, debunked or whatever it's called. But we'll, I need something to put it on face down. Here, it's like this. I don't want to get all greasy. My daughter will probably steal the thing off me. Put this right here. It also, look at the back, there's snaps on the back, which is pretty cool. There's snaps, and I'm guessing, I'll just use this to get it out here. There is a set of earphones, which are probably not the proper ones. I have no idea what the hell, it's an old earphone. Remember when earphones were like that? I don't. There's also, the batteries are pretty cool because it comes with this battery, sir, 1 point. I don't ever remember seeing that in there, but look, it's got like this plastic cover that rolls over your batteries, keeps them. So you print it in Japan. You could see the little, yeah, it just pops in here. The lady I got it off of, what do you call it? Put batteries in it. I have no idea how I would take this cover off, but it would be pretty cool to take it off. I think somebody did because the screw holes are. They probably didn't have a JIS screwdriver. No, I'm not going to take this apart, but I'll see if I don't have the small one here. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got snaps on it. It says Japan 40B. Let me check. I'll check online to see if this thing's even on eBay or something, just to see. Ooh, screw that up. Give me a second. I'll get back to you in 1 second. Hold on. All right, back to the radio. Here's the front. You can see it's got 3 knobs. The antenna is over here, right there. Here's the back. From what I could tell on eBay, this thing is sometime around early 60s. So that's pretty cool. 20 bucks. Put it in my store. I was listening to music today. It was on the radio. Unfortunately, around here, all I could get was a French station on it because I didn't feel like tuning it. I was really busy. So with that said, everybody needs a vintage. Oh, and I checked on eBay. It was eBay selling. There's only one listing, and it's $74.95. So I think 20 bucks Canadian. That's like what, maybe $14 US. I think roughly after you exchange it. So it seems like a good deal. What I'm going to do is I'll take the batteries out and I will probably put on the shelf somewhere. Hopefully it won't fall off and break. So I also picked up 2 7-Up glasses, which are pretty cool. So that's all I got for you tonight. I am not working here tonight. I'm going to sleep, and I'm getting up tomorrow, and I'm going to make a few more videos because I have a rack. It's supposed to be pouring rain, of course. So I'm going to pop my garage door open. The pouring rain, probably throw one bike out there in the rain. And, or I should get one of those tempos and do that. I'm going to work on stuff tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends, and click all the buttons. Yay, goodbye. Thanks for watching.